Good day, this is SciPi again, and we're going to continue looking at patterns and how they affect math. Today we're going to find out what happens if we continue this pattern and get negative exponents. Remember the last time we looked to see why any number to the 0 power is 1, and we looked at if we go backwards in our pattern, we're always dividing by 2. And we not only tried this with 2, because 2 is an even number, but we also tried it with 3, because we want to make sure the pattern works for both odd and even numbers. So today we're going to look at the same pattern, and we're going to answer the question, why is any number to a negative exponent become a fraction? That's a good question. A lot of students go, I don't know. I'm just told to do it, so I do it. But there is a reason. So we're going to look today based on this pattern. So let's put up here our 2's, and let's have a -1, a -2, and a -3. And let's start down here. So we know this is 2, and we know this is 1. And how did we get from here to here? Who remembers? That's right, we divide by 2. So that pattern has to continue. We're going to do the same thing to figure this one out. So we keep dividing by 2. So now we have to take the number 1 and divide by 2. So over here, let's just look at it. 1 over 1 divided by 2 over 1. And again, you all know 2, flip, and multiply. We end up with 1/2. So 2 to the -1 is 1/2. Isn't that interesting? So now we're going to take 1/2 and we're going to divide that by 2 and see what we get for 2 to the -2. So we're going to take this number and divide it by 2. And we all know that we flip and multiply. So we end up with 1/4. Do you see a pattern developing this time? 2, 4. What do you think this one's going to be? 8. Look down here. Do you see the same numbers down here? 8, 4, 2. 8, 4, 2. Again, it's based on patterns. So now we can conclude that anything to the negative power becomes a fraction. Why? Because it's based on the power of division, on the pattern of division. Good day. I hope this answers one of those questions you always had in your head. It did me.